Humphrey, he's magical and everywhere. He's everyone's favorite adventure bear.
Hey, Humphrey. Ready to give gardening a go? What have you got there? Oh, it's a rake. Awesome. That's a tool we use in the garden. Oh, rake some gravel. What else can we do with it? Oh, no. We use the rake on the lawn, not on the plants, Humphrey. Maybe there is a different tool that will work better, huh? Oh, you've got an idea? Ah. A shovel. That should do the trick. Let's do some digging. We just need some small holes to plant our seeds. Humphrey, let's not get carried away there. What are we planting today? Oh, seeds for cucumbers and carrots. Healthy and delicious. This is the easy part. Place the seeds into the soil so they will grow nice and strong. Humphrey, we place the seeds, not throw them everywhere. Silly bear. Next, we have to water the soil so the seeds know that it's time to sprout. Uh-oh, I can't see this ending well. Oh no, Humphrey! Hold on to the hose tightly! What are you doing? No, 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 no! Humphrey, you silly bear. Now we're both wet. That's more like it. Water is so important for a healthy garden. You need to water seeds every day to help them grow. Well, that's the end of this episode. But if you would like to watch any more wacky adventures with Humphrey B. Bear, simply subscribe to the channel. See you next time.
Humphrey, he's magical and everywhere.